welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Addie Gunnan and I love everything fashion, thrift, sustainable, vintage. I think it's so much fun that you can express yourself fully when you have those unique pieces in your closet. And it's really just a reflection of what's on the inside, because everyone is so beautiful that I want everyone to feel so beautiful. So today I have a really fun video that we are going to be flipping some thrift pieces today. And let me tell you, some of them are really weird. So I'm really excited to kind of show you all how to update your closet, even with pieces that you already have. This is such a good way to bring new life into your closet, or to get really creative with your pieces, because it's an entirely new piece that you're getting to create and it's extremely unique to what you prefer. So I am a firm believer that a two-piece is the best piece. I have all of these pieces right here that are either already two pieces or they're things we're going to turn into a two-piece, and I'm really excited about it. So I showed you the pieces. They're kind of crazy, but I'm gonna start with this blue one. So this is a very beautiful little skirt and top set. You saw it's very, like, I don't know, turn of the century, kind of 90s maybe. And I got it from my sweet friend. She let me play dress up in her grandma's closet. I posted about it a little while ago, and I figured there would just be a lot of potential in her grandma's closet. And even if there wasn't, I was getting inspired by some other pieces, and I ended up finding a lot of pieces. So never pass up free clothes. You never know what you're gonna get. I don't know why anyone would pass up free clothes, but still. So this is the little piece here. It's just this skirt and this top. So the skirt is pretty good, and I might honestly leave it the way it is, but it needs some new elastic for sure. And I might add a little detail on it, maybe a slit or some kind of ribbon around the waist, just to give it some extra character. I actually have some inspiration from a Reformation set. So it looks like this, and I'm really excited to see if I can make this into something kind of resembling that piece. Making it a little square neck, kind of giving it some more shape to it. We'll see how this goes. Adorable. It turned out to just be this really cute little crop top, and so cut a square neck into it. I think it's going to be adorable. So now I think I'm going to take some inspiration from the picture and maybe cut a slit and then fold it over so it looks like it's kind of wrap skirt. But it might be too small to do that, so I think I might also just do the slit in it. So we'll kind of mess with it and see what it looks like. I will definitely be tightening the elastic some, because it's a little old elastic and it starts to lose its stretch. So we'll get that to fit really perfectly right around the middle of the waist, so it'll look so cute with the crop top. So let's get... finished the blue two-piece and it looks so good. It's so cute. I cannot wait to style that up, especially coming up in the spring. I might even do it like over a turtleneck with some tights or something now. I think I'm going to do the purple sweater dress now because it's such a seasonal piece for right now in the cold. So let's get started. This is the big purple floral crazy amazing vintage dress, and it has this really beautiful kind of ochre and mint colored print on it. So I think this is going to be a really great piece for right now because it's a very like thick sweatery dress. But my thoughts for it are splitting it into two because that makes it easy and super cute and very versatile. And then overall it's just kind of big, and so I'm thinking of taking it apart and just kind of like sucking in all the edges. It has like a weird bat wing kind of sleeve too. Of the outfit and the final piece because my camera deleted all of the videos, which happened last thrift flip too. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm obviously a hot mess. This is water. I just spilled it everywhere on me, but I'm also not home, and I also already finished the piece, so I can't redo the videotaping of it, but I have the final piece, which is kind of funky. So here's a clip of me falling over in the fully done piece, and then a gif basically of me going back and forth in it because it's the only video that I have of it done. But we're just gonna be a hot mess express right now and pretty much all the time, because you're well loved and you can be, and you should just embrace your awkwardness and your weirdness. And so a little interlude to let you know that you're amazing. Which one I love more. The blue one is so summery and fun and springy and just like really good for those warmer months. But this one is such a perfect wintry set. I'm kind of obsessed with winter sets because I think they're just such a good idea for layering, and you can always add shirts under or over, whatever it is. And I'm probably going to wear these two pieces separate because they're so cute just on their own. This one was so much fun to just kind of update the silhouette on because it was already kind of a cool dress, but I didn't like the bat wing. The waist was just kind of weird. I think it was drop waist and someone updated it and put elastic in it, so the waist was just really long. So making this into a set just kind of makes it a more, I don't know, like an easier wearing piece day to day. It seems like a very cute winter day dress, and the long sleeves are amazing. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I love this YouTube community so much, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. So just get out there and be inspired by what you find, whether you think it's weird, ugly, cute, whatever it is. It's all for you to just be creative and express yourself. So dress to express, never to impress. Pick up something funky and just make it your own and have so much fun with it, because unique dressing is just so much fun to just walk out in something that no one's ever seen before and rock it like the diva that you know you are. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and go follow me on Instagram. I have sales every Wednesday and new videos every Friday. I will see y'all next Friday.